Hi, I'm Rachel from Away with the Fairies, and I'm here today on this lovely spring day in our fairy garden, and I wanted to talk to you about some of the fairy garden accessories we have and what you can do with them in your own garden. So firstly, I wanted to show you our pathway selection. We've got about 4 different types at the moment, and they're a great way for connecting different areas in your fairy garden. So this is the daisy cobbled path. Looks really good when you put a couple together. And the more you buy of this one, the cheaper they get as well, which is nice. This is the rustic path, which is really cute. Has a wood effect and then cobbles along the side of it. So this is the woodland path, which is really nice and rustic. It looks like different coloured logs with a stone edging, and there's also a bridge to match this one. In the fairy garden accessory range, we also have some lovely arch sets, a flower arch set and a rustic arch set, which add some really nice interest to the fairy garden. This is the arch from the flower arch set, which is really cute with the floral details. It also comes with a nice welcome sign and a cute little birdhouse. Then we have the rustic arch set, which is really lovely over a pathway, and that comes with an adorable little mailbox. We have some other lovely accessories, the gorgeous fairy garden wishing well, which is really cute for the fairies to gather round and make wishes. We also have the Birdie fairy garden sign, which is lovely with 2 little birds sitting on the top. Then there's the fairy garden slide and the blossom seesaw, which go really nicely together. You can make your own fairy garden playground. We also have a fabulous range of fairy furniture, which is really important in a fairy garden, with everything from benches to table and chair sets to cute little chairs on their own. So this is the lovely Woodland Bridge, and as you can see, it matches the woodland pathway. I'm just going to add that here. And it's a really great way to cross over the streams that we have. So that's just a small selection of the fairy garden accessories we have on the website, but it's a nice overview of what we do have, with everything from fairy furniture to pathways, bridges and streams. So hopefully this will give you a few ideas for what you could do at home, and thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.